Okay, hello everyone. So today we're gonna see like Python data structure. Here is our last topic. We're gonna see some tutorials, some exercise and example like we did before the other sections. So before that, I think yeah, we have to see streamline printing statements in topic 3. So let's see this one. This section deals about like how we're gonna optimize, clean our print statements. Okay, so what's streamline print statement is like, it helps us to make our output is like clean, readable, well formatted, and display information in just in a clear way. Okay, so this streamline has some key points like purpose, how do we communicate program results clearly for developers, users, and like a kind of string data types, how we combine the string uh, and replication of the string. In the other like format methods, we use insert value into like placeholders, instead of like write code with multiple print statements. We use like placeholder, placeholder of uh, curly bracket inside our texts or our program, and formatting string like f string we use. This is it makes like most readable and modern approach. Okay, so it allows a variable directly just inside the curly bracket. That's a placeholder. Okay, so we use format, we use just concatenation, we use f string to optimize our code. Okay, so why streamline, just in general, why streamline print statement is important? Just improve the code readability, okay, and reduce the error, and it makes like the code easier to maintain. Okay, so like that. Okay, so let's see, here is some three examples. One is like using concatenation, the second is format method, and third f string. So we can use such kind of methods to efficient our code. Okay, so here we have like exercise streamline print statements. For example, from our document we can see the importance of a streamline: improvement readability, enhance debugging, facility collaboration, document aid, communication with users. Okay, so there are three common methods we use to string formatting in Python. So concatenation, format method, and f strings. Okay, so let's write, let's do this exercise together. Okay, so yeah, first let's read yeah, let's so exercise 1 is give the name of a forest, just forest name, just one variable, and the area covered by the forest area is another variable, and the type of forest type is the third variable. use concatenation to print the statement in the format, this one, this part. We're going to print this part, means like expected outcome will be this one. So from this statement, format, like forest name is like Manu forest, is Manu forest is our string value for this string. We're gonna substitute here this part, the first name, with this variable first name, and the second area is like this. We're gonna put placeholder in here, and the third forest type is like closed canopy mountain, closed canopy mountain. We're gonna replace this one. So let's write our code here, and it's so we're gonna apply concatenation to print. Okay, to print. So print, we're gonna use like concatenation method, right? So print, let's write the text here, the closed, and make it space and close this one, plus, look, here is the, then here is Manu forest is the variable, right? So we can take this variable instead of the name Manu forest. So Manu forest variable, and plus after Manu forest we have is the largest, right? Largest. So bring this one as a text and make space, text, and make space in here also at beginning and at the end is large. And what is closed canopy mountain is another variable. So we can take this, instead of this string we should take this forest type variable. So forest type plus, okay, forest variable, and after this variable we have text here, forest ecosystem in East Africa, comma. So open quotation, make space like this, make also space, this is space, and plus, what is the covering, okay, another text covering this part. Okay, let me copy this one, covering, okay, space, make space. We don't use another extra space here because we should make space here, right? Yes, or we can make space like quote in quote, another way. Okay, so we should use quotation in here, open, closed, open, and here another space, plus, after, instead of 400,000 we should use area, right? Area. So area, the variable area plus the rest hectare. Okay, make quotation, space, and hectare, okay, and space, okay, I think, and then close the parentheses, and then print. I think it's too long. Okay, let's see. What's the power? Can type error can only concatenate int. Okay. What is wrong in here? The is like forest type. Okay, okay, this one. What is the error to string, not int? I see. So we should have, yeah, this is a number, right? It should be the area variable has a number, the integer value, right? The integer. So we should apply this as a string. Okay. So look at this. Yeah, I think, yeah. The Manu forest is the largest closed canyon mountain forest ecosystem in East Africa, covering the area. I think we should use, instead of quote, parentheses. Okay. Okay, let's see this one. Oh, yeah, it should be string, right? Sorry, it should be a string. Okay, should be a string. Okay, great. Yes, so we can get, because here is an integer, so this integer should be converted to a string. Okay, string to display the our output. Okay, so this is all about this exercise 1, and let's see exercise 2 to make our code efficient using format method. Okay, we're gonna use like dot format, just values. Okay, values in here. So that is, here is the way how we can write the format method. Here is the way we're gonna just use concatenation method. So instead of, like in this case, in the format method, we use like, instead of variables, we use placeholder, right? Close bracket placeholder, and then after format we can use the variables inside here. Okay, so let's go to exercise 2. Yeah, let's read the task. Task 1, I think the format function. Yeah, task 1 is given the annual growth rate of the tree is growth rate of the tree and the region of the forest, use the format method to print the statement, this to print this statement. Okay, so given the following variable, the growth rate is one variable 2.5, and another regional forest region is Amazon is another variable. So apply here, apply here format method to print. Okay, so let's use print text. We can copy this one. Okay, we need this one, right? So 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 the annual growth rate of, so the growth rate instead of growth rate is like, use placeholder, right? The annual growth, what is that? The annual, okay, the annual growth rate is Okay, back return. The annual growth rate is in the Amazon. Yeah, the annual growth rate. The annual growth rate in the Amazon. Instead of Amazon, there should be placeholder Amazon forest region. For is like the growth rate is here. Okay, growth rate is here. 2 point is, so instead of 2.5 we should use placeholder. Okay, and this one closed dot format. We should apply this method, right? Format and open the bracket and use Amazon, the first placeholder. Instead of this first placeholder we should use this variable. Okay, oh, come on, this variable. Okay, comma, and instead of this placeholder value, so we should use this yeah, this port. Okay, I think, yeah, and then print, and let's see the result. Okay, incorrect input. Where is that? Syntax error, I think we have here syntax error. Yeah, yeah, there is, it is open closed, and yeah, we should use another half circle bracket. Okay, here see, yeah, here is the annual growth rate of tree in the Amazon forest is 2.5%. Okay, exactly. And the third method is f string to make our, yeah, to use streamline print statement. We should use f string. Okay, so what is f string? Like let's see here, f string type, it's easy to interpret due to, you know, the variable name displaying in the string itself. So let's read the task. So what is the format in f? Just formatted string f, letter f, it can be small or capital F we can use, and then we can use the values. Okay, the values in a curly bracket and displaying, so it allows us embedded expression inside a curly braces. Okay, a curly braces within the string. This expression will be evaluated and formatted at runtime. Okay, so come here and let's apply 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 f string. Okay, f string to print the statement. Okay, print and then f should small f, capital F, whatever, and use the variable. Look at this. Given the concept sustainable forest management, here is the question, as a variable, SFM concept, and the importance biodiversity as a variable, biodiversity importance, use an f string to print the statement in the format this statement. Okay, we're gonna apply or use this statement. Okay, so I'm gonna use this statement. Yeah, look at here. F, look at, so instead of sustainable forest management we should use this variable, right? This variable in the curly bracket, okay, in curly bracket. So is crucial for maintaining biodiversity. So we can use biodiversity as a variable here, as a variable instead of this one. Use curly bracket is this one, okay. So make it print thing incomplete input. Yeah, we incomplete input. So yes, sustainable forest management is crucial for maintaining biodiversity. This is f string method. Okay, let's make it like use copy this one and make it instead of a small f. Let's check it, small f with capital F, and then let's see the result, the output. Okay, so print this one, same, right? Same. Whenever it's F or F capital or small, yeah, it's just same. And now it's F string concept. This is like use variables inside the curly bracket, okay, but in the formatted mail we use like placeholder, empty bracket, okay, empty curly bracket. So like that we can, yeah, and you can check the solutions here uh, from 1 up to 3. Okay, so let's jump to topic 4, Python data structure. So let's see. Okay, see, so what is Python data structure? Like Python data structure is a just a way to store, organize, and manage data efficiently. So it can be accessed and modified easily. Let's see. Here is the first introduction part. There are common Python data structures like list, tuple, set, dictionary, string, range. And so you can read this part and okay. So what is list in data structure? It's like ordered, mutable. Here is a data structure, order mutable collection of items, allow like duplication. So let's download this one and let's see. Here is data structure. Okay, data structure. So data, I think this one. Okay, let's see. This one, I think. Yeah, data structure. So it's like a way how to organize, how to store, how to manage data efficiently. Okay, so uh, that will help us to easily access, modify our data, right? That's I think the short method to describe data structures. Okay, so there are different, or there's different data structure types. Yeah, let's see. For example, let's make here one cell and comma. So the first one is like mm, list data type. List data type, it's like ordered, mutable, collection items. It allows for duplication, and we can use like square bracket to write 1 comma 2 to write here is the list. Okay, list. And the second one is tuple. This is also another like tuple is another ordered and immutable. This is like ordered comma mutable. We can change. Okay, mutable and collection of items, mutable. And what about tuple? Write like using open parenthesis 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 and close. Right, like this. It's also ordered immutable. It's immutable. We cannot change like a string. It's ordered immutable data type. And the third is like set. You can write like using curly bracket. Okay, curly bracket like one comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 and closed. This is like unordered data type, data structure, and of unique item. It just unique unique items. Okay, unique items. And another like dictionary is also another data structure. We can write like dict equal to, it is like a collection of key key and value. Okay, key value pair. It just kind of, it must be, it's also unique, but it's a key and value, and it's written inside the curly bracket. Like let's use string name equal to k, the value name, like we use, I think, not equal, like colon name. Here is the key, here is the value. Okay, name and like kb is a string, kb comma age, use string age colon like 30 comma what's like height use, here is also another string, semicolon 1 2 meter 2, like this. So this is like name age, this one, and height, this one. So it's a key value pair is like a dictionary. They're just unique. It's a collection of key value pairs, and they must be unique. Okay, and what about the other data structure? String, right? We can write str string. String is like a sequence of character, right? It's a sequence of character. They are just immutable. We can write use like using single or double quotes like python. Here is string, right? So the strings are immutable. Okay, and next one is another data structure type, range, right? Range. Yeah, I think we use range like writing like range half circle bracket, like 1 comma 4. Okay, 1 comma 4, like this. We can, here is the range from 1 up to 4. Okay, 1 up to 4. So these are some of the data structure types in Python we're gonna use. And then let's see examples here. Okay, let's see examples here. With that, starts from here. I think, yeah, introduction, simple variable in Python, and here is assign the value line. Here is to the simple variable animal name. Okay, animal name. So what if we need to store and manipulate a group of values? Okay, group of values of varying data type. Python contains built-in data structure that allow for store collection of data. So the most common built data structures are like this. So here is assigning the value. We can print this variable, right, and see what's the result. Okay, is lion, right? Is lion. Simple variable is string variable, and here is immutability. Let's check the tuple. Tuple contains item of different data type defined with round brackets, right? Round bracket. It has like string in here, float number, integer number, and boolean, you know. So here is the tuple. We can write tuple like this. Okay, so so we can print and see the result. Okay, print, use this tuple. Okay, look at our tuple is, yeah, it's fine, right? So tuple can be, it's ordered, it's like allow duplication items. Okay, it's immutable, and lists here, lists are like mutable, right? So let's see the result. Our list, print animal list. Okay, great. So it's yeah, it is the way how to write list. Okay, this is the way how to write list. And next one is like set, right? So let's see our set, print okay, animal set. Okay, let's see our set is writing in the curly bracket. This, yeah, it can be integer, can be boolean, it can be string inside the set. Yeah, it's fine. So dictionary is also another data structure type. They are just key and key value pairs. Okay, name here, elephant is the value, type is the name, mammal is the value, average weight and the value, average lifespan and the value, and like that. Okay, so print, okay, oh, print animal dict animal. Let's see the dictionary, how you print, like use key and value pair. Okay, so you can check. Yeah, this is think some example. So I think, yeah, we will do some exercises on the next part. Here just example. So let's, here is I think this one is a tuple example. Here is tuple exercise, right? Let's see, tuple exercise. So let's download this part. Tuple exercise, tuple, the tuple exercise, right? See, tuple exercise. Yeah, here it is. Tuple exercise. Okay, cool. So in the case of tuple, we're gonna use round bracket, right? Round half circle bracket. So let's see what is the exercise deals about. So here is insert. So exercise 1 is like create a tuple name, 3 tuple, okay, containing 3 elements: 8 apple string, this Granny Smith string. Okay, so let's write our code here. Assign, assign, or yeah, let's write yeah, right, okay, right tuple create tuple name, right? Tuple data structure. So the first one is, here is our variable as a name tuple 3. Okay, tuple 3, yeah, is equal to, like, we're gonna write tuple like half circle bracket. We have this elements, right? Let's copy this one very easily. This elements, copy and closed. Okay, here is our tuple function. So let's print and see the result. Print and this variable, copy this variable. Nice. Yeah, it makes life easy, man. No typo error, blah blah. Print invalid end. Oh, I see this one. Come on, invalid end. See? Come on. Yeah, invalid end. That's right. Thank you. Here is a tuple, data structure. Okay, tuple data structure. like that. And second, find the length of the tuple. Length of tuple. We can count, okay? 1, 2, 3, right? So find the length of a tuple. So we're gonna write right here, find tuple length, tuple length, tuple length, right? So how we gonna write tuple length? Just len, right? We have built-in function len function, this variable, this print this variable, okay? The above tuple, okay, and see the result. Oh, let's print. See the result. I think if there is, yeah, you can see tuple length 3 because it has 1 item to 3 items. That's tuple length, means the item of the tuple, okay, the tuple. And third, let's see, access the second element. Look, access the second element apple string into the tuple tree, tree tuple, using the index and assign the value to a variable called fruit. Okay, fruit, print variable. So here it's assigning, yeah, access using index and assign the value, the variable fruit called fruit, print the variable. Okay, so we're gonna use like accessing the element of the tuple. Okay, let's write like fruit in here is our variable, and use like this, the previous tuple, copy tuple variable fruit, assign as a new variable. In accessing, look, accessing the second access the second element means, come here, our second element is with the first element, second element, third element, right? But in the index it's 0, 1, so 1, so we use 1, okay, and let's say print this variable fruit and see the result. Okay, should be apple, right? That's exactly, yeah, apple is our second element, okay. And attempt to change the value of apple in tree tuple. Tuple is immutable, right? Let's try to like change up pear instead of apple. Okay, tuple is immutable, right? So let's access. So that means bring tuple 3. Let's access with square bracket. What the apple index is 1, right? Apple index, close this one. Substitute with this one, right? Pure. Okay, let's see. Run, and let's see what will happen. Run and see what will happen. Come on. Oh, great. Here is like there is a type error. Tuple object doesn't support item assignment, right? So that means tuple is immutable. Okay, cool. Create a new tuple called text only. Text only. Just create a new tuple. Creating a new tuple text only, and place the last two elements of three tuple into it. Okay, create a new tuple text only and place the two elements of the above three tuple like here is Apple and Granny Smith strings. Okay, so what is that? So let's come here and let's come here, create new tuple, create new tuple. So the variable is like text only. Okay, text only equal to create a new tuple called text only, right? This variable. Place the last two elements. So how we gonna place the last two elements? These two elements. So we use these three tuple, right? We use three tuple. It should be three tuple in like no curly bracket. So we should use like index to access the second and third elements from three tuple, right? So the first is 0 1, so from 1 up to first, second, third, right? 1 up to in index 0 1 2, right? 2, but the last one here is not included, right? It's not inclusive, so we should use 3, and then let's print text only. Oh, what is the error name? Print. Okay, there is a print. Okay, let's see. So here is our new tuple from the previous tuple. Okay, we can like access the new tuple from the previous tuple. Okay, so and what about the exercise to create two tuples? Let's create two tuple, fruit summer and fruit winter, with elements of these elements and these elements respectively. So fruit summer, here is, let's create first, let's write a comment here, create tuples. So the first is like fruit summer is our tuple variable. So here is a tuple variable and have this one, right? This elements. It is our first tuple and second tuple, fruit in a winter, right? Fruit in a winter, another tuple, and elements. It is like, okay, okay. So here is our two tuples for fruit summer, fruit winter. Okay, so and then respective print the tuple to screen in the same print statement. Okay, in one print statement. Okay, so print just two variables like fruit summer in one print, comma, fruit winter, right? Fruit winter. So let's see. Yeah. Okay. This is two tuples in one print. Okay, in one print. So let's use. Yeah. Let's combine this two tuples. Combine these two tuples to form new tuple. All fruits. Print the new tuple to screen. Okay. Let's write a comment here first. What will be that? Combine two tuples. Okay, so we have already two tuples above here, so let's make it like use all fruit as a variable. Okay, all fruits as a variable, and then how we combine, just we use like what kind of concatenation or format string method, or f-string method, or format method. So it's for combination, like use concatenation method. Okay, concatenation method, like using plus operator and fruit in a winter. Okay, fruit in a winter. Come on, fruit in winter. Yes. So let's print, and let's see. Print. What will happen? All fruit. Boom. See? Just these elements are from the first tuple. These are also from the second tuple. They are just combined. Okay, but it didn't, right? In the previous one, when we like print both tuples, still they didn't merge. Okay, but now it's merge and new tuple. Okay, new tuple. Oh, that's fine. Okay, and third one, let's see, what's that? Confirm how many times the element peach appear in all fruits. Okay, counting, like count number of elements, number of elements in tuple. Okay, in tuple, like all we have this. Come on, all fruit equal to, no, all yeah, I think we can create new num peach, just I think num peach equal to all fruit dot count. Okay, using count like peach. Okay, peach, peach in our tuple, where all fruits, all fruit tuple. Here is all fruit tuple. Let's see how many times. So let's use print. print this number of peach in our all fruits. Okay, so 1, right? So let's count. Here is 1 peach, no other, no other, no other. Okay, what about like instead of peach, papaya? Let's make it papaya. Papaya, come on. So what will be the result? 0, no papaya from here in the our tuple elements. Okay, so 0. But in peach it's just 1, in plum 1, just lemon is 1, just like that. Okay. Oh, cool. And let's see the fourth. Yeah, suppose we have the combined info. Look at this. The combined info variable shown the block of code below containing 3 elements. It has 1, 2, 3 elements. The color of the fruit, yellow. The age of the tree is 5 year or 5. Just the type of the tree is lemon. We would, however, like to work with these elements individually and need to create variable like color, age, tree type. Color is like yellow, age is like 5, tree type is like lemon for each of the elements in the tuple. So we're gonna write here our code like combine like so. This, I think this, come on, I don't know. So did you use the index to assign the value of variables? So we can get some hint here. So let's like use color where they, let's copy this part, color, this, bring them, color, age, 3 is equal to what, the combine info, right? This combine info, combined info, right? It's better to copy. Yes. Okay, nice. So combine info, shall maybe, I think let's make it run. Let's see how to combine color with yellow, age with 5. Did you use an index to assign the value? So okay, let's see. Exactly, I think it's assigned like this. Suppose we have the combined info tuple show in the code below containing 3 elements. We have 3 elements in the combined, so we can combine, we can assign a multiple variables like that. Okay, multiple variable we saw in the last tutorial, not remember exactly which, yeah, which number of which part, but there is a multiple variable assigning. This is a combine, so they can access like the first, this variable can access the first value, the first elements of in the combined info variable, or in the combined info like tuple, right? In this tuple, and the second age is can access this ones. Okay, so I don't know exactly. So we can print. Yeah, I think it's better to see print, and yeah, this part, and let's see what will happen. Okay, so look, color is yellow, age is 5, lemon is like, it prints like this, the combined info tuple, right? I think, did you use an index to assign the value to variable? If so, also take a look at, yeah, I think there are also another methods like using index method. We just use simple combining variable assign method, right? So look at the solution provided later in the notebook. Yeah, we can see assign the value, print here. Let's see the solution maybe for father. I'm not sure. Let's go to down here. Okay, I think this one, palm yellow. Yeah, this one, right? So insert the code here, color. Yeah, it did also same result. Let's print it. Okay, let's print. Okay, great. Yeah, the same. That's cool. And I think we have another pull tuple solution. Yeah, let's go to up, combine. Fine. This is all about this part. Yeah, let's go to like another for I think still cool. Yeah, so I think this is enough for this section. I'm gonna later, yeah, I'm gonna continue this list, set, dictionary, and final code challenging. Okay, yeah, so I think it needs another tutorial. Okay, so this is all about today's tutorial. So bye guys.